Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6 linear equations in two variables, exercise 6.3. The first question. The question is, draw the graph of the following linear equations. In that first question, the given linear equation is 2y is equals to minus x plus 1. Okay, so see its solution. I'm taking like this. As per procedure, a given linear equation that is equals to 2y is equals to x minus x plus 1. Okay, then if we transpose 2 to RHS side, if we transpose 2 to RHS side, then what happen? We can write y is equals to minus x plus 1 by 2, because of into quantities becomes division quantity when we are going to transpose to RHS side, from LHS to RHS. Okay, so we get like this. Okay, so y is equals to minus x plus 1 by 2. So in the place of x you take the different values. Already in exercise 6.1 and 6.2 we discussed so many problems based on this. We noticed that a linear equation with two variables, we know a linear equation with two variables has many solutions. Okay, now see, we should use the common sense. If we are going to substitute in the place of x which value, it is exactly divisible by the particular denominator. Okay na? So what I am taking here, if x is equals to 1, then what happens? See, I am going to substitute x values. Okay na? So y is equals to, that is minus is there, x means what nana? We taken that is 1 plus 1 by 2. So then y is equals to minus 1 plus 1 ante, that is 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 is equals to what? That is 0. So we get the points. Manaku oka solution ochindi. What is that one? If I take x value is 1, then I get y value is what nana? 0. So 1 comma 0 is oka point. Okay, next you to take like that only. If x is equals to minus 1, if x is equals to minus 1, then what happens? See, I am taking here y is equals to, already minus is there, x means I taken minus 1, here plus 1 is there, by 2. Now y is equals to minus of minus, that is plus 1 by 2. So y is equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2, that is equals to 1. So we get another solution, that is x is equals to minus 1 means y is equals to what? 1. So we get minus 1 comma 1. Okay, ikkada point clear ga chupinchu. Minus 1 comma 1, and like that only you take, if x is equals to 7, if x is equals to 7, then what happened? Y is equals to, already minus is there, minus, in the place of x I taken 7 plus 1 by 2, means that is y is equals to minus 7 plus 1 means that is minus 6 by 2. So y is equals to minus 6 by 2 ante, that is equals to what? 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, means that is minus 3. We get the another solution, that is x comma y is equals to 7 comma minus 3. Okay, so like that only you take find two more solutions. If x is equals to minus 7, if x is equals to minus 7 or minus 5, if x is equals to, you take minus 5, then what happens? See, y is equals to, already formula ikkada minus undi equation lo, x means minus 5 plus 1 by 2. So y is equals to minus of minus plus 5 plus 1 by 2. So y is equals to, that is what? 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So we get 3. What is the solution we get? X is equals to minus 5 means y is equals to 3. Okay. So minus of minus plus 5 plus 1 by 2. Y is equals to 5 plus 1 what? 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. We get y value is 3. Means what is the required solution? That is x value is minus 5, then y value is what, Nana? 3. Okay. So now we find out how many solutions? 1 2 3 4 solutions. Okay. So just for understanding purpose, I'm going to write all solutions here. 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 1, 7 comma minus 3, and minus 5 comma 3. Okay. So now I am going to draw the graph, Nana. Graph of the linear equation. We know what is the Cartesian plane? Yes. We know this is what, Nana? This is the horizontal axis. This is x-axis, we call it. This is vertical axis. This is what? Y-axis. The common intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis what? That is origin. So clearly in anti-clockwise direction, this is quadrant 1 and this is quadrant 2 and this is quadrant 3 and this is quadrant 4. Anti-clockwise direction, not clockwise direction. Okay. See here, in quadrant 1 both x and y values both are positive. In quadrant 2 both x and y values, here x is negative and y is positive. In quadrant 3 the solution x y values both are what, Nana? Negative. In quadrant 4 the solution x comma y values, x is positive, y is negative. So this is useful for when we are going to plot the points on the graph. This is useful. Okay. In quadrant, if you get the both positives, the points which are in quadrant 1, if you get the one x coordinate is minus negative and y coordinate is positive, means this is belongs to particular quadrant 2, and both x coordinate and y coordinate both are negatives in quadrant 3. X coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative, means that will be in quadrant 4. So this is just for understanding purpose. Now we can take here the values are from 0, this is the ray from this onwards, yx positive values 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and oy this side also positive 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Now O x dash negative minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6, like that we can take it as. O y dash also negative minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7, like that you can take. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ నాన్న, ఇక్కడ 1,0 ఉంది అంటే 1 is the x coordinate and 0 is the y coordinate. Okay, so x axis ki y axis ki common intersecting point is that is O ante origin. O means what? That is O origin. The points are 0, 0. Okay, so now see, x coordinate lo 1 undi and y coordinate what nana 0 ante the required point is what nana here 1, 0. Okay, x coordinate lo 1, 0, x coordinate lo 1 and y coordinate what ra 0. So ante y coordinate lo 0 ikkada, x coordinate lo 1 ikkada, so 1, 0. Next second one, x coordinate వచ్చేసి -1, y coordinate వచ్చేసి +1. x coordinate లో -1 and y coordinate లో +1. సో ఇలా ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి we can take -1, +1. This is the point. x coordinate లో -1, y coordinate లో +1. ఇవి రెండు ఇలా. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ x coordinate what na +7, y coordinate what ra -3. x coordinate లో +7 అంటే ఈ x coordinate లో +7 ఇక్కడ చూడాలి అండ్ y coordinate లో -3 అంటే y coordinate లో -3 ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. సో you can take like this. Okay, here x coordinate లో 7 and y coordinate లో 3. So that is 7, -3. Next x coordinate -5, y coordinate is 3. x coordinate లో నెగిటివ్ వాట్ నాన్న -5 and y coordinate లో 3. x coordinate లో -5 and y coordinate లో +3 అంటే ఇది. ఓకే, సో here that is -5, 3. So successfully we plot a particular points on the graph. Okay, now is there any points? First point, second point. Okay, these are the points. You simply join the points. ఈ పాయింట్స్ అన్నిటిని జాయిన్ చేయండి. ఓకే, simply join your points.
Straight line.
Okay, you will get a straight line on the graph. Okay na, ikkada meeku em vastundi, you will get a straight line. So we can conclude that a linear equation with two variables has many solutions, and a linear equation with two variables, its graph is what nana, the graph of a linear equation with two variables is a straight line. Okay na, so then what is the required equation? ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటనేది ఇక్కడ రాసేయండి. what is the equation అన్న, that is 2y is equals to -x plus 1. ఓకేనా, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్. దీన్ని ఒక ప్రాపర్లో రాయాలి అంటే x plus 2y is equals to 1 లేదా -1 is equals to 0. so this is the required equation. Now we can compulsory you try to write the scale. Scale is very important nana. What we taken scale here? Scale on x-axis. On x-axis length తీసుకున్నాం scale 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Okay, on y-axis on y-axis 1 centimeter is equals to what? We taken 1 unit only. Okay na, so like this we can draw the graph of a linear equation with two variables. Okay na students, thank you.